Good morning, guys. This is a morning routine video, which is actually a day in my life. This is when I wake up, I open my curtains and just look out the window. First things first, of course, drink some water, hydrate, and yes, get this day started. Usual, brush your teeth, brush. And then the first thing I have to do is sit for my daughter's online classes. So she's doing her class, and I'm just telling her what to do and just little things and enjoying the breeze. Mumbai is very breezy and she's enjoying the view and doing her work and craft and learning the traffic signal. And that's my morning, guys. Done with her class and it's playtime and she's just showing the doll some birds out there. So, yes, just playing with the little one early in the morning. First things also I do is I've started to get some steps out of the way, have some sort of activity. I keep walking inside the house. I know it's funny, but I do that because I feel like it's important to get some steps. Your 10,000 steps that I have to do, I do some in the morning so that, I have some activity and I get active. And of course, start with Jeera water. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? Actually, I'm not gonna talk and I'm gonna let you hear the birds chirping because that's what I wake up to every morning and doing here. And it's just very nice and relaxing and gets me on to the day. I'm sipping my jeera water and just soaking in. It's a nice breeze. Bombay is so breezy. And I just did some walk. I'm trying to get into the habit of doing some sort of physical activity early in the morning. After my daughter's class, of course, after mommy duties. But yes, this is my typical morning. I've never shared my morning routine or my mornings with you guys. So I thought, let's start this vlog by sharing my mornings. I feel very bloated lately, so I feel jeera water helps. So I start my day with this and some papaya. It really helps me. The gardener is gardening the plants downstairs. Can you see? I don't think you guys can see. It's important to sometimes do nothing. This thing of doing nothing, relaxing is so important. I'm out and about. There's so many things that go around in a day in my life usually that sometimes I forget that I need to relax and I need to take it easy or sometimes take it slow. So I think that's what is called mindfulness. I'm not sure, guys. I'm new to it. It's made me a little more calm than I usually am. So I'm trying to do that. I think this is called adulting, guys. I'm growing up. But that's my morning. It's 9:30 and I'm now gonna go and take a shower. I usually decide what I'm eating in the day a night before, of course, and I tell my house help what to make. Today we are trying to innovate. So I've told her to, because guys, I eat healthy, but I keep running out of ideas. I think we all do, especially the people who are in charge of deciding the menu in the house. How do you guys decide that? I get so, like, I run out of ideas what to send for my husband's tiffin, what my daughter will eat, and we all eat. Funnily enough, sometimes we all need to eat differently because, like, I'm on a diet, but he's not. Today I'm getting a khichdi made, but instead of rice, we're putting dalia. So let's see. It's actually an experiment. I've told my house help to try it. So it's dal and dalia, so very healthy. And I want some vegetables added to it, which she forgot. So right now, when I was just checking the cooker, I asked her, did she put vegetables? And she said no. So let's see. I think she said I'll saute some vegetables and add it later along with the tadka. Let's see. So yes, it is an experiment, but I will show you guys. Let's see how my Dalia Khichdi comes out to be. I try and innovate and find healthier options, healthier alternatives to what I want to eat. So right now I'm doing that. Who is this little girl? Show me your hair. Uno girl. What you playing? What you playing?
Uno.
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 Oh no. What have you put on your hair?
Down.
Towel. Okay. So these are the vegetables I've got chopped off. It's finely chopped because I need some sort of vegetables in my food. This is the dalia that is getting made. It's made of dal and dalia. Sari, इसमें पानी डालेगी भी? डालना है ना? So it's basically water. It's basically dal and dalia, and looks nice. I like my khichdi to be thick. So this is an experiment, so I think should be good. So once she sautés these vegetables, we'll mix it with the khichdi and it should be a nice mix of things. Green chili and garlic getting sautéed so that the tadka is getting made, and we'll add the vegetables and the dalia. So just adding the vegetables with the masala into the dalia khichdi, guys. This is our new trial recipe. So we've added the vegetables. So good. So guys, can you see? It basically has so healthy, and I'm gonna actually have this for lunch and dinner. So yes, one dish and both my meals are done. So nice. This is the final dalia, guys. It's yum. So yes, I have taken a shower, guys. Ready for the day, fresh, and it's a very eventful day already because I have to go out somewhere for some work. So guys, before we move further, I wanted to take you through some new products. As you guys know, I love to explore new brands, new makeup products, new skincare products, but also I'm very conscious about what I use. There will always be a negative impact of makeup, of any kind of products that we use on our skin. Our skin is so gentle that we ought to take care of it. But of course, we all girls love to get ready, and we all want to use products that are good for us and look good on us. So I love to try out brands that have a similar philosophy and that make products consciously. So guys, today I want to introduce you guys to a new brand called Kiro Beauty. What's special about Kiro Beauty? Firstly is that it's PETA certified, it's cruelty free, it's toxin free, it's a vegan brand, and it's paraben free. So yes guys, the philosophy of Kiro Beauty, being an Indian brand, is they want to create products that are good for you and look good on you, which is so perfect. I actually love this tagline. Whether you're going to work, whether you're going out to meet your friends, lunches, dinners, makeup is a part of our life, of course. But we all know that makeup comes with its negative impact, which is why we detox our skin every now and then, that oh my god, for some time I don't want to use more makeup. They have actually created products that are created from skin friendly ingredients and are high performance products. Now that is such a rare combination. When makeup marries skincare, I think it's the perfect combination. So guys, the range is called Botanico. It's actually India's first naturally derived makeup range. They're trying to balance skincare with makeup. So guys, today I'm going to be talking about two products from this range. The Botanico Timeless Matte Compact. It's been a while I've used a compact, so this will be fun because I really think in the summer, compact is the best thing for you to use for your natural makeup. And the second thing is one of my most favorite staples in makeup anyway, which is a mascara. So this is the Botanico Super Shield Mascara. Guys, the Timeless Matte Compact is actually India's first 100% naturally derived compact. I am in the shade 01 Rock Salt Ivory, and this is how the compact looks like. This is how the product looks like, and this is the beautiful applicator that it comes with, and it's infused with maracuja oil and goji seed oil. There are some amazing benefits of this compact which I will be listing down below for you guys to see. It's an ultra fine powder, as you guys can see, it's super fine. Even when I'm putting it on my finger, it's super duper fine. It gives like an airbrush matte finish, which is amazing. Look how beautiful this compact is, guys. How nicely it's transferred to this applicator. It's super duper fine, and oh my god, so smooth. Did you just see how amazingly matte this is, and what a perfect match it is on my skin? With the summer and the heat, it tends to become super duper oily, and look at how this beautiful compact has completely made my skin matte, yet it is shiny, so looks amazing. This is beautiful. I mean, for my everyday wear, something that is good for my skin, infused with so many oils and butters, and if it can act like such a good makeup product, nothing like it. Basically oil controlling, it's waterproof, it's buildable. Of course, you can use as much as you want. I'm taking little by little, I'm trying to add it to my skin. Love how my skin looks. How beautiful is this, guys? I am amazed at how beautiful this looks. It's given me a nice matte look, nice and natural. I still have a glow on my skin. The best part is I still have a luminous glow on my skin, yet it's smoothened out my skin very well. I love it, and this is gonna go straight into my bag because I'm gonna be using this very often. It's a perfect shade match. The rock salt ivory is the perfect shade match for me. It has pore minimizing properties, it is oil controlling properties, and of course it's dermatologically tested. So all in all, it's a really win-win especially for everyday usage. This actually comes in 6 shades, guys, and this is priced at 1200, which is a really good price for a compact of this quality. Moving on to the next product, guys, this is the Super Shield mascara. I love mascaras, and I'm a mascara girl forever. And this is made up of 99% naturally derived ingredients. With age, our lashes obviously break down, they become weak, and they become obviously light, but this has properties of lash strengthening and lash lengthening, which is absolutely amazing. This mascara contains avocado oil and calendula oil, two such amazing oils that I personally love a lot. This is how the wand looks like. As you guys can see, this is the shape of the wand. This is the mascara. Let's see. Oh my god, how smooth is this? Oh, okay, now I can see how perfectly it's lengthening my... Whoa, I want to show you a left and a right comparison once I do this. Can you guys see how beautiful my lashes have become? It looks like I'm wearing falsies. And this is the effect of this mascara. The left side does not have any mascara on, and the right side has the mascara on, guys. Can you guys see the difference? Oh my god, it's really good. The application of this has been very easy, and yes, my lashes look so long. Can you see? And it's certainly divided each lash. It's given it volume. So yes, my mascara is tried on. This is how the mascara looks like. My eyes have totally woken up, and my eyes don't feel heavy. That's the first thing when you use a mascara. It wasn't very hard to use, very smooth to apply. It's waterproof, it's non-clumpy, it's non-flaky, and it certainly curled up my lashes, it certainly added volume to my lashes, and it certainly lengthened my lashes. A definite increase in volume on my lashes. This beautiful mascara is priced at $950, which is a great price. Whether it's the mascara or the compact, both of them are infused with some really great ingredients which are very good for your skin. The eyes look really nice, the lashes look really nice, and of course the overall feel of this compact, which is such a perfect match. Firstly, I'm yet to use a compact that gives such a nice smooth airbrush matte finish. It is stunning, guys. It's a big thumbs up from my side on both these products. I will link both of these products down below for you guys to buy. Try them out and actually tell me if you like it, because I personally really like them. So yes, guys, just got done with some work, and it's 4:30 p.m. and my day usually is buzzing around this time because I have lots of work. But just giving you a closer, I let the compact be and I let the mascara be, and this is how it looks on my skin. I just I want to give you a natural review and a genuine review. And since these two products were on my list of trying out today, I thought let's try it out and obviously vlog my day. But I mean, I love the finish. I've never worn compact that gave me this kind of luminous effect, yet it's matte. I mean, it's amazing. And this mascara is, oh my god. And I feel very light. Usually, after putting on makeup, the first thing I want to do after I get free is remove it because I'm like, oh my gosh. You feel heavy, but this doesn't give a very heavy effect anyway on the skin. So, yes, the skin feels absolutely amazing. The mascara is stunning. Look at how the lashes look. So, yes, I'm very happy with this. Anyway, so it's been a very lazy day for me today. I've been shooting, I've been editing a lot, and that is the reason I had a backache. How many of you, when work from home, they work from their bed? I certainly do that, and it's given me a really bad backache. But that's something that happens with me. I also have a study here, but somehow find the bed to be the most comforting. Exciting part is that my parents are visiting me this weekend, and that is the happiest part of my month actually, because I want to be free. That's the reason I'm working a lot today and getting free from all my work, because I want to be free from my parents, because the next 4 days I want to take them out and I want to chill with them without the worry of work. So yes, it is my favorite thing. I keep my hair. I can't live without these clips, just random, pick them up from anywhere. But this is the size of clips that I use. So guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here because I don't want it to be very long, but I'm done for the day and I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.